This leads to false expectations among the users. The common users' myths are listed in table here. The table management myths. In the early days of software developments, programming was viewed as an art. But now, software development has gradually become an engineering discipline. However, developers still believe in some myths. Some of common developers' myths are listed in tables. The next is table users. Here's the guide. The last one is table developers' myths. And also, documentation software configuration and form is very important to the quality. After functionality, maintainability, see the preceding myth. It is critical importance developers must maintain the software and they need good design documents, test data, etc. to their jobs. You can also assess software quality until the program is running. By the way, thank you for your interest. I hope you find this video helpful and informative.